Jerry. How are you today? Huh? Did Owen feed you? Huh? Did he feed you rice? Jerry? Really? You get some pussy today? Huh? Huh? Jerry? Jerry? Ooh, you have a girlfriend already? Huh? He gave you a girlfriend already? Jerry, what did you do today? Huh? You went to the second market? Hmm? What did Owen did to you today? Huh? He showed you some pussy? Huh? He showed you? Hmm? Huh? You're excited? Hmm? Yeah? Cool. Oh, you tell your daddy you have a girlfriend already. Huh? Huh? Oh, come on, you tell daddy. Hmm? Hmm? Huh? Cool, huh? Huh? Your nanny's cool? Huh? Did you give him a hard time? Huh? No? Jerry? Hmm? What? Oh. Come on. You talk to daddy. You talk to daddy. Alright. Hmm? You talk to daddy. Jerry. Oi. So. What you doing? Ay. Jerry. Did Owen give you a bath? Owen give you a bath? Hmm? Alright. Mm. Where did you go in? Huh? You like it? You like it when you go to the second market? Huh? You like it? Oh, Jerry. Jerry, look at the camera. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Oh. Ah. Smile. You guys smile. Smile. You don't want to smile?